Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox Heaven. Today I brought another exciting review for you guys, and for this review I am very excited to unbox and review because Temu sent me this big haul and I'm already in love with Temu. Temu is an online marketplace which offers products with absolutely affordable prices plus high in quality, and you can also find almost everything on Temu with such a good prices. So I already unboxed the package and opened the package that is sent by Temu. In this package they sent me lots of stuff that would be very useful in my daily life. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now and also turn on the bell icon for notification. So first I have this portable juicing cup that you can use anywhere at any time because it's very lightweight and handy to use at any time. It is rechargeable and can make stuff real quick with its powerful battery that lasts longer than expected. So I already took it out of the box. It also comes with charging cable, which is micro USB that you can use to charge your juicing cup. And if you want to buy this, please go to my description box and click the link to download the Temu app on your mobile phone, and also use my coupon codes to get up to 30% off extra on your purchases. There is also a deal going on for new users to get 90% off store-wide. Yes, it's true. They also offer 90% for some products at store-wide. So they also offer free shipping plus free 90 days return policy. So it's very easy to shop. Just go to their website, or you can also download their app on your mobile phone. This product is very simple and basic that you can simply use by double pressing the button on it. Now it's time to use the product and see how it will work. I'm going to make berries and cherries juice in this. For this purpose I'm using frozen berries and cherries to see its best results. I also added some water in it to make the juice smoother and more yummy. Okay, now it's time to put the lid on. After that it's time to see its magic. I will be double pressing the button to start its working, and as you can see it's already started to blend and making juicy consistency. Oh my god, I am in love with this product, and I am also thinking to keep this product with me everywhere I go. For example, while traveling or on a work trip, I can make my juices at any time. And the plus point is this product is very lightweight and powerful. You can make your beverages up to 550 ml. So you can see the juice is so good, so fresh, and I'm gonna taste it. It's gonna be so yummy. I already know that. Oh my god, it's so good. So if you wanna buy this, just go in my description box as I already told you. Okay, so now let's move to our next product, which is mini humidifier. I was so excited for this humidifier because this humidifier is the best one I could ever find, because this one is very handy and simple, and I can use this either on my desk or my small room, or you can also use it for your baby's room. It will work perfectly. It also comes with the micro USB charging cable and small manual to see the instructions. There is also one small mechanism that will be used during its working. Okay, let's try this humidifier now. I added the water to its max level and just put the lid back to see it's working. I just connected it with its cable and let's see it's working now. Oh wow, it's actually working. I am so excited about this one because I have never seen humidifier of this size which actually works. Please do not wait and go to my description box to download the Temu app and get most of the stuff for just 99 cents. Yes, it's true and legit. For all new users, Temu offers 90% store-wide discount, and some stuff you can get it only for 99 cents using my links and my discount codes. Okay, let's try what the third product they sent to me. So this is a very cute and very beautiful stainless steel sandwich cutter with hand guard. Again, super easy and super convenient. It is also multi-purpose, and this product designs to make your sandwiches looks good and cut them in an efficient way. I will be using this with my 2 pieces of bread. I have 2 pieces of bread here. The stainless cutter is very sharp and cuts your sandwiches very quickly. I hope you like this product from Temu. Again, if you want to buy them, please go to my description box right now and check the links there. They have products in all categories, for example home, technology, garden, outdoor and much more. Just go and have a look there, and please stay tuned to see rest of the products from Temu what they sent me. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.